Hi, I want to show you how to screen record on Google Pixel 9a. For that, swipe down from top right corner to trigger quick settings and swipe down again to see more features. Now, I want you to search for the screen record either on your first page or maybe on the second or on third. In my case, it is placed on the second page and indicated by this circle with a dot. So now I can tap on it and firstly choose what I want to record. One app, which means that anything shown or played in that app is recorded. Additionally, I can choose either a device audio, microphone, or both. Or we can switch to record entire screen, and anything shown on your screen will be recorded. With this setting, we can also enable to show touches on screen, which will be presented like white dot, and also choose media output. If you decide to record one app, then by clicking next, you would need to select app you wanna record. Or if you choose entire screen, then you just need to tap option record screen, and after 3 seconds countdown, you will feel vibration and recorded will be started. So now you can record anything you want to, and also you can see this white dot on the places where I'm tapping. Also, you will see this red icon in the top left, meaning that recorded is in process. You can press and hold the icon and choose to stop recording or close. Or you can swipe down from the top left, find this message here with the time of recording, and from here click stop. Now you can immediately tap it to view this recording. And also it will be saved to your Google Photos, and additionally you'll be able to find it in Files app in Screen Recordings folder. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.